A warm So Deloitte operation as a multidisciplinary professional services network. It business modern centers or delivering high trust end-to-end business to business and business to consumer solutions, including auditing, consulting, and tax and risk management by leveraging the massive global workforce and strategic technology partnership. So the Deloitte business model canvas is broken down into the following 9 elements: customer segments, government and public sector, high growth, small, medium enterprises, industry specifics, value proposition, so global scale and multidisciplinary delivery, providing end-to-end expertise spanning auditing, consulting, tax, financial advisory, and also unmatched trust and compliance, institutional credibility for global financial reporting and regulatory adherence, digital transformation, helping clients modernize operations through cloud migration, AI integration, and cybersecurity channels. So there are the direct consultative sales, digital presence through thought leadership, referrals, customer relationship, long-term partnership, dedicated client teams, and high confidentiality and trust. Revenue and streams, project-based consulting fees, audit, audit, audit and assurance fees, tax and legal compliance fees, subscription services. So there are the key resources of the Deloitte: human capital, intellectual property, brand reputation, and also key activities: financial consulting, management consulting, risk and tax advisory, innovation labs. So there are the key partners: technology vendors, academic institutions, regulatory bodies, cost structure, talent acquisition and retention, technology infrastructure, operations and marketing. So these are the business model canvas about the Deloitte company. Thank you. So the value proposition of the beyond the traditional consulting, the digital transformation and innovation, delivering complex technology modernization programs that reshape how enterprises operate at scale. So holistic business solutions, providing integrated cross-functional strategies that address the full spectrum of organizational challenges, enterprise-wide productivity, enabling growth strategies that drive measurable productivity gains across the entire. So the key partners of the Deloitte and Canva Alliance. So in 2024, Deloitte announced the landmark partnership with Canva, merged world-class consulting with the enterprise-grade design capability, generative AI integration, empowering enterprise content lifecycle with AI-powered design automation, unified brand operations, streamlining operational cost through consistent, scalable brand management. Consulting meets creativity, bridging the strategy, execution, and communication at enterprises. So there are the key activity and resources. Number one is intellectual capital and digital transformation, design operations. So intellectual capital, deep expertise, proprietary methodologies, and the collective knowledge of 450,000 plus professionals worldwide. Digital transformation, custom enterprise technology deployment from cloud migration to AI implementation and systems integration. So design operations, scaling creativity through the Canva enterprise platform, enabling consistent brand execution globally. So the customer segments to global enterprise, Fortune 500 organization, global organization seeking competitive advantage through the strategy, technology, and operational excellence, government and public sector, national and regional institutions requiring complex advisory, regulatory compliance, and digital modernization. Mid-market enterprises, rapidly digital organization looking for the spectrum and compete with the established market leadership. So channels a multi-touch point strategy. C-suite direct relationship, deep engagement with board level decision makers through the dedicated account terms and executive advisory, through thought leadership platforms, global industry connect conferences, research publications, and Deloitte insights and shape execution discourse, digital ecosystem alliances, integrating platform partnership including Canva that can extend Deloitte's reach into client workflows. So the customer relationship trust and currency, long-term advisory engagements, multi-year partnership build on deep institutional knowledge,